Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and we got another first. What is it? Well, I'll tell you one second. Before we get started, that is our telephone number. If you have good questions, we have good answers. And by the way, we got Buddy, the world famous master tech behind the camera today, who also did the installation for this. Now it's beginning to rain, so we'll do as quickly as we can. So we got the Honda Ridgeline here, and this is the Undercover Flex. Now we have done videos on the Undercover Armor Flex, the Undercover Ultra Flex. Now this is the Flex. Now let me go over some of the differences. Now they're very similar. They're made by All Undercover, which is a real truck product. It's a low profile, sits in the bed here. It does have a lower price point, but you do lose a few things with the lower price point. Not a big deal, but I'll go over it. For example, the other two models come with a 5-year warranty. This is gonna have a 3-year warranty. Now the good news is she had it professionally installed by us today. So we're gonna double that 3-year warranty to 6 years. So let's see if this thing locked up while I was talking. It did, I did unlock it, but it's fast. Okay, all right, so now, there we go. I'll show you how everything works, and I'll show you all the cool stuff about the cover. Now you do have a left and right release mechanism. So wherever you're at, you can open the cover. So, and what's nice about this, you can drive it with this way. You just kind of lock it in place like this. Now, since it's raining, so I'll make this as quickly as I can here. Now what's nice about this, you can open it all the way up to the top, and it does have a really nice locking mechanism that will protect the rear window when it's up. Now you do have to lock both of these, so for the video I'm only doing one. Now while it's up here, I'm going to show you a couple of things. So let's go ahead and close this back up, and let's see if I recall it. Oh, of course, I heard it lock when I was talking. Man, it's like seconds it does it. So let me do the video before you lock it up. Now I want to show you that you can use the little trunk in here. So as you can see, you have full access to it. Now, as you can see, it does touch the rail, but it's not a really big deal. So again, now on some of the newer models, they have made some modifications to the new one. They now have a center support there. Also, if you look, we put the drainage system to the sides. We don't put it in the floor. That just stays out of the way. You don't have to worry about knocking it out. And let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and close it up. And like I said, it's got a, now it does have a 3-year warranty versus a 5. And if I recall, instead of a 400-pound weight capacity, it is a 300-pound weight capacity. Cosmetically, if you look here, it's a texture finish versus the Armor Flex, which is a Line X finish. The Ultra Flex is a flat finish. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this up real quick. Of course, it's hard to hold the keys in your hand as you keep doing this. You gotta love Honda. All right, so you can close up the door like that. And then what I want to show you was it does work this way as well. So a lot of times people ask me in the video, hey, you didn't open the thing both ways. As you can see, I just did. So everything works the way it's supposed to work. Now, if you like, come here, let us install it for you. We do a very good job. The Hondas can be a little tricky. Luckily, Buddy, our master tech, knows all the ins and outs of all the Hondas. We get a lot of Hondas. Carl Springs Auto Mall sends their Hondas to us a lot of times, so we appreciate it. Thank you very much. Again, we can ship anywhere in the continental USA, or just come here to Florida. Let us put it on for you. Let Buddy or myself do a nice job for you. And I do like how this cover looks for the money, which, by the way, I'll put a link of the product at the bottom of this video so you can check out pricing. And you can see for yourself how great price it is. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. And don't forget, like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all this great new product. Thank you.